Welcome to your next lab for Greenfoot. So this is going to be called Bouncing Ball. And when the world loads, there should be three balls on the screen. Their positions must be random. If I hit reset, it'll put the balls on the screen again. You can use smiley faces or whatever other shape you wish to for the balls. In addition, the space must have a method called add ball, which will add an additional ball onto the screen. That can be called as many times as I want to. And then when I hit run, each of the ball will have its own velocity, its own dx and dy speed, if you will. And then on each act, it will change the position of the x and y coordinate of the given ball by that velocity. If the ball hits the edge of the screen, the ball will bounce off that edge. And the thing to keep in mind is it only changes if it hits the left or right, it changes the horizontal velocity. If it hits the top or the bottom, it changes the vertical velocity component. In the basic lab, the balls do not bounce off each other. But if you choose to, you could have them bounce off each other. Just think about your conservation momentum equations from physics. Oops, one more thing. If I pause the simulation, and if I right-click on any of the balls, we'll notice that they have the 5 methods. Of course, they have act, but then they will have 4 helper methods that act will be calling: turn at bottom, turn at left, turn at right, and turn at top. And those methods contain the if statements to inspect if the image is at the whichever wall we're talking about, and then reversing that velocity component. So you're required to create those 4 methods.